friendship, relationship, scholarship. So which ship do you want to get? Facebook, you are getting so many popularities in your Facebook and YouTube. You're gonna speak very well. I'm very impressed to see you're speaking spoken English.
Lastly, they should listen more and more English video, or they can content watch, or they can make vlog video. If they listen more and more, definitely they will get a new word. Hello everyone, welcome to back Muwaj and Maliha English tour once again. Right now we are going to have a conversation between me and my brother Muwaj. So let's get started.
Excuse me, Maliha.
Yes, Muwaj. How
May-
can I help you?
May I ask you some questions in English?
Sure, Muwaj, you can ask me any kind of question in English.
Can you speak in English very well?
No, I can't speak in English very well. I can speak as a language.
Oh, that's great. What's your favorite subject in your academic study?
In my academic study, there are lots of subjects, but I like most science.
Okay, most of the students are like science. So can you tell me what's the reason behind it that you like science very much?
As I'm a girl, I'm a human being. It attracts very much. Everything is interesting for me, and that is why this is my favorite subject, you can say.
Okay, so there are so many ship like friendship, relationship, scholarship. So which ship do you want to get?
I want to get a scholarship, bro.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So, do you want to get scholarship from native government or from foreign governments?
First, everything desire is so higher. So first, I have think that first I have to get scholarship from my native. Then I have to get scholarship from other country.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So, would you like to go to abroad for higher study?
Definitely, not only just my desire it, but also my parents also desired that one day I'll go to abroad for higher education.
Oh, that's great. So, do you have any plan that which country do you want to go? Because there are so many highly educated country like UK, USA, Germany, Australia, Canada, and so on. So, which country do you want to go? Let me know in the comment
Yes,
box.
there are so many countries all around the world. So I have decided my plan is that I'd like to go to Canada for higher education.
Oh, that's great. I also have a strong desire, same that I want to go to Canada for higher studies. So, would you like to say that is the education system is good in Canada?
Yes, I have heard that everything is great for study there. Not only just you can say studying environment and their sitting, everything is amenable for there.
Oh, that's great. That's great because that is a foreign, that is abroad, that is not
Yes.
our natives. So, do you want to earn dollar?
It is a big deal for me much that I would like to $1. I'd like to earn dollar because now I'm a student as well. Like I'm not, I have no any kind of profession. I'm not any professional person, so it's not fact much.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So I can see that, and most of the students and people are seeing that you are very much, you can say, almost viral in Facebook. You are getting so many popularities in your Facebook and YouTube. You're gonna speak very well. I'm very impressed to see you're speaking spoken English. So would you like to share your two top secret tips and tricks to my lovely viewers because they want to speak very better in English but they don't know how to do it. So please share your two secret tips that nobody knows about you.
Yes, as every viewers and learners so curious to know that what we follow, but my journey is so long. I'll tell you guys so shortly. Definitely you'll be able to understand you. I'd like to share with you that two tops that you have to communicate with other person in English every single day. Or second one is you have to speak in English all day long, like every day, every single day, regularly. If you maintain these two tips secret, definitely you can speak in English like pro English speaker.
Most of the viewers, my dear Maliha, most you will be glad to know that most of the viewers are trying to learn English, speak English. They're beginners. So to beginners, learning vocabulary is very much a tough matter. So would you like to share them that how can you learn vocabulary without any kind of thinking, without any kind of tough? How can you do that?
firstly they should listen more and more English video, or they can content watch, or they can make vlog video. If they listen more and more, definitely they will get a new word. If they remind that new word, and if when they speak in front of people, when they speak that time, if they use this word, definitely they can remember. By this way they can speak in English so easily. One second one I'd like to share with you, that if you think when you go to school or any publicity place or in front of people, someone like they can't speak in English, they think that it is going to happening wrong or correct. What will happen? They feel so hesitation. So how will we overcome our hesitation? So there is only matter that you have to speak in English a lot.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So most of the English learner and students are facing one trouble and problem that they don't have any kind of partners to speak with them. So would you like to share that how can I find partners on online? And because most of the viewers are very curious to know it. So would you like to share with us that how they can learn spoken English, how they can practice their spoken English without any kind of partner?
Yes, Muwaj, I have catch your conception that what you would like to say me, that what type of suggestion I'll give to my viewers those who are watching this video. You know, guys, that I can speak in English not so fantastically, not like native, but I'm trying. I have experience about it. I have learned in this language last 1 year. So in this case I'd like to share with you that if you have any no partners, so what you will do to improve your speaking skill, and those who are beginner for them. So in this case I'll suggest you guys, you have to speak English by yourself. No matter nothing is impossible to you if you speak by yourself, like in a whole day. If you talk what type of talk, if you think that it is a language, just nothing, you don't think that's a big deal for us. For you have taken like a language. So in this, when we got it much, when we use language, when we communicate with other person, like now I'm speaking with you like this way, guys. When we communicate, so you have to think that by our without our native language, if we sacrifice it, so if we take it our second language English, so it will be very better for us.
So most of the English learner are learning this language. I'm very impressed to them. I'm very much curious. I'm very happy. I pray for all of English learners, especially my viewers, all of them. So most of the English learner, most of the students and pupils, those who are studying at academic study, and other people that don't know that what's the importance of learning English, what kind of benefits they can get through learning English. So we would like to share that the two top of importance of learning English. What's the importance of two top learning English? Would you like to share with my viewers?
Definitely. As I'm an English speaker, I can tell it much to my viewers, those who are watching. So guys, I'd like to share with you that what is the importance of learning English. The importance of learning English is so highly. When we don't know that what is the importance, then we didn't learn it. Now we have done it and we have overcome it. So I'm gonna share with you guys that what is the tip 6, that what is the learning, what is the importance of learning English. We know that every country, their native language is different and our native language is totally different, but one language is global language, international language that used all over the world. So in this case we have to learn English. If we don't know English, if we go any kind of foreign country, it can be UK, USA, Africa, Canada, so in that people, we won't be able to communicate with them because their native language is English. So in this case I can say you that you must have to learn English. Otherwise one thing is also important, for a good job we must have to learn English, because their speak will be just English, not only other language. They won't show that what's your native language. They will speak by English language.
Okay, thank you, my dear sister Maliha, for giving your best to give me answer properly. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new in this video, or if you're new in our channel at Facebook page, please don't forget to subscribe and follow Muwaj and Maliha English Tour. Thank you so much, and see you later on a new video. Goodbye.
Bye bye.